Hi guys, it's Nisha in Nisha's Reading Corner. I am back and I want to show you guys how to make your Kodansha's reading account so that you guys can get those free mangas for the 31 days of December. So we're going to start off, we're going to go to kodansha.us. We're going to go to login and this will prompt us to make our reader's account. We're going to put our email in there. Now, don't be emailing me just because y'all know my email address, okay? After you're done putting your email address in, you're going to put your password in. Make sure that when it calls for you to confirm your password, that you are typing it in correctly. You don't want to be locked out of your account before you can even get the account, okay? Then you're going to click the I am 13, and I hope you are over 13, okay? And you're going to sign up, and it's going to prompt you to go over to your email address. Go over to your email. Once you go there, you are going to sign in. Now, don't judge me because I got AOL, okay? I was born in the 90s, and we're going to move on, okay? I hope you were born in the 90s, too, because that makes you cool. But go ahead, put your password in, go over to your mail, and it's going to be the very, very first one from Kodansha. And then you are going to just verify your account. Here we are doing that. I don't know why I'm so slow at everything. I get sidetracked. My eyes be everywhere. Okay, now once you are in the Kodansha and you are signed in, you're going to go to news. I was sidetracked again, okay? Not browser, you're going to go to news. I don't know what all this is, but I will go back and check. Go to news. Okay, cool. Then you're going to go down, and the first manga that we have of the month is Fire Force. You're going to click the title name, and then it's going to take you over to checkout. You're going to get the digital one for free. It's originally $4, but today is free, okay? Now, here's where I was having an issue. I could not place my order, even though it was free. And I kept clicking the button because I'm like, what's going on? But you're going to need to add a coupon, okay? And you're going to need to type it in. Free is the coupon code. Yeah, I was reading everything just to make sure that I understood everything. But yeah, you see now here is prompting me that something is wrong. It's not telling me it was wrong, but it's definitely prompting me. Something is wrong. So I just plugged in my brain and I was like, okay, just add a coupon code. I don't know what it is going to be, but free. And it applied it, and it is free. I don't know what it was doing there, but then we just go back to the previous browser, or we refresh it. Yeah, we refreshed it. And then you got your free manga. You go to read. Now I was having more issues here, okay? When I click read, it'll take me to read the manga. Now, I thought I was messing up here. Something was messing up, but I noticed that I didn't even click the other arrow to go the other way. So I think that's what that was. But essentially, you have your free manga. I hope this helps somebody. I hope that you can go through every single day and get the free manga for all 31 days. I know I will be updating you guys every single day on which manga comes out. So it's currently day 2, and I will be making a video for day 2 and the manga that they gave away for today. So stay tuned for video 2. Make sure you like, save, comment, and share it to a friend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.